Have you ever wondered how a robot knows how to follow a line so smoothly? In this project, we built a differential line-following robot powered by computer vision and smart control logic. Using a downward-facing camera, the robot continuously captures the track ahead. Instead of checking just one point, it scans multiple horizontal lines across the image. For each scan line, it detects the left and right edges of the track and calculates the center position. The system then measures how far that center is from the middle of the image. That difference becomes the steering error. To improve detection, the image is first converted to grayscale, then the colors are inverted using binary thresholding. To ensure smooth motion, we apply tolerance filtering to ignore small noise, and an exponential moving average to prevent sudden steering changes. Check out our tutorial page to dive deeper and build your own intelligent line following system step by step.